So in this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to send coin from blockchain. So in order to send coin from blockchain, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, you have to log in into your blockchain account. Once you're logged in, that's going to direct you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now since you're sending coins from blockchain to another wallet address or external wallet, you need to make sure that you already have a wallet address or that you already have a receiver's address where you're actually sending. So then to begin with, click the send button located in the top right hand side corner. That's going to take you to the other interface where it's going to ask you to provide in the information, that is the wallet address, and then the exact amount of asset that you're sending. And once you've done that, you'll be able to see the funds that you're sending, and if you're sure about it, then confirm the transaction. And lastly, you need to go through it all for the confirmation, and once you're done with that procedure, then complete the transaction. And as soon as you've done that, then you've successfully sent coins from blockchain to another external wallet. So in that way, you can send coins from blockchain. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.